Hey guys, my name is Hamza and you are watching GFR SMC Trading. In this video, I am going to teach all of you about the structure mapping, that how we can mark a structure in bullish trend market and in a bearish trend market. I will simply try to explain that how we can mark a correct way to identify a structure, identify a correct pullback, identify our high and low, so we can identify the correct trend of the market. There are different strategies to mark a structure, but as all of you know that I am personally a smart money trader, today I will simply explain that how we can mark a structure using the smart money method. There are a lot of traders are studying deeply smart money trading, and when they complete their studies and the time comes for them to apply their knowledge on the live chart, at this stage they made many mistakes and marked the wrong structure in the market, which caused the many losses for them. Because if you mark a structure in a correct way, there are many possibilities that market will move into your side. So simply I will explain everything here in the chart. So here's the Euro GBP 5-minute time frame chart in front of you guys. So this is our chart, and market momentum is a completely bullish market, completely pushing higher highs and breaking previous highs and lows to follow their uptrend. As we know that confirm a breakout structure, market needs to close above the previous high or low. So if we see here, the market have closed above the previous high, so our breakout structure is confirmed here with that candle. Now the next step is that we need to find where is our impulse or correction. In this way you can see the market momentum is completely bullish like that, and here was the last pullback, which was with that candle. After taken out the pullback, our higher high was confirmed. Here was our last higher high, and higher low is confirmed when our market have break the previous high, which is that point. At this candle, when market have break the previous high and close above it, our breakout structure is confirmed. And after confirmation of breakout structure, our lower low is confirmed here at this point. For confirmation of the lower low, we need to find the lowest low of the whole move, this single move. We need to find the lowest move, which was here. We cannot mark or that low as a lower low, because that was the latest low before this breakout structure. We need to find the whole deepest low from that move. Like if we see here, market was pushing to the upside like this. After creating this high, market have taken out the previous low, which was at this point. This was the previous pullback. After taking out the pullback, our higher high was confirmed here. After confirmation of higher high, why this higher high is confirmed here? Because this previous low is act like a inducement. After taking out the inducement, our higher high was confirmed here, and market continue pushing down to the downside. After this low, when this low is confirmed, this is our lower low. When this lower low is confirmed, when our market have break the previous high and close above it. After closing of the candle, our lower low is confirmed here. Now in this case, we need to find our inducement. Where is our inducement? After taking out the inducement, we can confirm our second higher high like this. For this high, where is our inducement? This high, for this high, our inducement will be at this area like that. This will be our inducement. If market will come down to the downside and taken out this inducement, then this higher high will be confirmed at this point. In the second scenario, if market will continue to push to the upside and create a new inducement like that and taken out the inducement at this area, then our inducement will be shift from this area to that area, and after taken out the inducement, our new high will be confirmed at this point. Remember one thing, as I told in my previous videos, that candle color is not matter to mark our inducement. And one more thing, the latest pullback will be act like our inducement. Like if we see here, if we continue to mark our pullbacks from this point, here was our, like this was our first pullback. This candle was our first pullback like that. Let me mark this one like that. This was our first pullback. The second pullback was at this area. Third pullback was at that candle. The fourth pullback was that candle. After that candle, there is no more pullback in this whole move. So our last pullback was here, and this pullback low was at this point. So our inducement will be at that point. This low will be act like a inducement. If market will push down and taken out this low, so our inducement will be taken out and our higher high will be confirmed here. Now let's see what happened next in the market. If we see here, market is continue pushing to the upside. Now if we see here you can see that this candle low have taken out the previous candle low, so that means that is a valid pullback. This is our valid pullback, and after taking out the low of previous pullback, our higher high will be confirmed. You can see here with that candle market have successfully taken out the low of the previous pullback. With that our higher high is confirmed here. Now if market will continue push to the upside like that and close above the previous high, so this will be like a breakout structure. For now let's see what market will impact. If we see here market is pushing to the upside now. Still let me mark that higher high. You can see the market has just swept the previous high. If you see here market has just swept the previous high, did not close above it. That means this will be not like a breakout structure. Some traders will mark as a breakout structure, but this is not a breakout structure. Like this is just a liquidity sweep. For confirmation of the breakout structure, we need a confirmation of the candle closing. Like if that candle was closed above like that, then this was our confirmed breakout structure. Then this was our confirmed breakout structure, and this low will be like a inducement here. But because market did not give us the confirmation of the candle closing, so that will be just liquidity sweep. For that our inducement will be here. If market will taken out the inducement like that, we will just shift our higher high like that. We will just shift our this high to that high. Simply our higher high will be transferred from this point to this point, and our inducement will be transferred from this area to that area. Only it will be transformation of the structure, will not give breakout structure or did not give us a change of character. So in this case, where will be our change of character? Some trader will mark that low after breakout structure of that low will be act like a change of character. No, this low will be not act like a change of character. Still we have that low. If that low will be break below it like that, if market will continue push to the downside and close above that area, so that will be act like a change of character. This whole area will be a change of character area for us. Still market is still bullish because market did not close below the previous low. If we see here, let's market have successfully taken out the previous inducement here like that. This was our previous inducement. Now market has just shifted his high from this area to that area, and inducement will be shifted from here to here. Inducement is shifted from here to here, and higher high is shifted from here to here. Now this whole move will be still act like a single leg move. Like here is the high, low, and this whole move will be act like a just single leg move. Let's see what market will impact in the future. Ground and taken out the inducement. After taken out the inducement, market have sweep the previous confirm high as well, but there is no confirmation of candle closing. If market will give a confirmation of candle closing, then our structure will be shifted from bullish trend to bearish trend. Let's see if market will give us the candle closing confirmation, then but if we see here market just have sweep the previous low, that means just taken out the previous low liquidity. Now what to do now? In this case we will again just shift our trend to the next area like this. If market have just sweep that low and again closed above the previous high like that, this is our breakout structure. Breakout structure is confirmed whenever market have give us a candle closing confirmation. Here is the closing point like that. Here is the closing point. After closing of the candle, our breakout structure is confirmed. Now what to do at this point? Simply we will shift our lower low from this area to that area. Now our next lower low is shift from that area to that area. This is our next lower low point. This is our lower low. Now after confirmation of candle closing, we again need to find our inducement to confirm our high. But if we see here, there is market did not give us a confirmed valid pullback. Why there is no valid pullback? Because if we see at this candle, all the behavior is happened within under that candle shadow. That means the previous candle high and low is still did not break. That means the moment which is happened with the previous candle shadow, that will be no more valid. We will wait for the market to give some more scenarios like that. If market will continue push up and create a new pullback and taken out the pullback, so that we will shift our inducement to that area. But if market will continue push downside and break the previous low, then that will be our change of character. For now We don't have any confirmed pullback, valid pullback to confirm our higher high or confirm our breakout structure. So we need to wait for market to give us more confirmation. Now if we see here market again break the previous high. That means after breakout the previous high, our inducement will be shifted from this area to that area. Now this is our inducement point. Now this was our last pullback because this candle have taken out the previous candle low. As I have mentioned that for a valid pullback, market at least need to taken out the now this candle have taken out the previous candle low, so this low will be act like a inducement. If market will taken out the inducement, our higher high will be confirmed at this point. Then this whole move will be act like a single leg move for us. Let's see what market have done. If we see here, market has successfully taken out the inducement at this area, so our higher high will be confirmed here and this will be our lower low. Now how the market structure is happening, if we see here, this was our high and this was our low, this was our higher high and this was our lower low, this was our higher high. Sorry, if we see here, this was our higher high. The structure is still bullish. Now where is our change of character point? Here is, you can see, if market will break the previous low which is here, that will be act like a change of character, and if market will again push to the upside and close above that area, then this will be our continuation. Remember, this is our impulse. This whole move is impulse, like that. This whole move is impulse. This is our retracement. This is our continuation. Now if we see again in the market, if you see here, market again had just swept the previous candle high, so that means it's just a liquidity sweep. Market did not give us a candle closing confirmation, so we will wait for the candle closing confirmation. But if market will again taken out this inducement, so our higher high will be our higher high will be shifted from this area to that area. Let's see what market will do. We zoom in to that area, then we will see that market have successfully taken out the inducement, but no, market did not taken out the previous candle low, so our inducement is still not valid, so we still need to wait for confirmation. Now if we see here, our inducement is confirmed here. Now market have successfully taken out the inducement. Now what to do now? As we have shifted our trend from this area to that area, we will simply follow our rules. Here we again shift our higher high to that high. This high, simply this high will be shifted to that area and this inducement will be shifted at that area. Now this whole move again will be act like a single leg move. Remember, some trader will mark that area as a breakout structure or that area as a breakout structure, and that low will be as a change of character, but that's not a valid areas, because for confirmation of breakout structure or change of character, market at least need to break and close below or up to the previous high and low, which is confirmed higher lows. And for breakout structure, we at least need to have the candle closing confirmation. So remember these 2 points. For change of character, market needs to break the previous confirmed high or confirmed low. If market is continue pushing to the upside like that, and market at least need close below the previous lower low. If market is continue pushing to the downside, and then market at least needs to close above to the previous confirmed lower high for confirmation of the change of character. Now we will wait for what market will do. We see here market is continue pushing to the upside and to the downside. We see here is the change of character. Why this is a change of character? Because market have closed below to the previous low. This was our confirmed low, and after uh, the closing of the this candle. After that confirmation, our change of character is confirmed here. Now we need to find our inducement. Where is our inducement? The last pullback will be act like a inducement. Now here is our last pullback. So this high will be act like as a inducement. If we see here, this will be our inducement area. Remember, I am just focusing on structure mapping, did not finding any entries or did not finding our POIs or anything else, because in this video I am just focusing on to clarify you how to mark a confirmed structure in the market, no matter which time frame you are using in the market. For me, I am personally two time frame using. The one is the higher time frame, the second is entry time frame, which will be as a confirmation time frame or LFT confirmation. Like this will be entry time frame will be of 5-minute time frame or of 1-minute time frame. Now if we see here, what market will do. Now here is another inducement for us. Where is our inducement? If we see here, here is another pullback in the market. Then if we have another pullback, then latest pullback high will be act like our inducement. Then our inducement is shifted from this area to that area. Now what market will do? If we see here, here is another inducement. Like here, if we see here, here is another inducement in the market. Where is the inducement? Here is another pullback. You can see our inducement will be shifted from this area to that area. We see here, now market have successfully taken out inducement here. Here is our inducement which is successfully taken out from the market. Now we need to find our last higher high, which will be our last higher high. Some traders will mark this high will be last higher high. Why this was our last higher? Because it was the latest high before this whole down move. So this will be act like a higher high. No, it's not valid. We need to find the highest point of this whole single leg move. Which is the highest point? Here is the highest point. You can see here was the highest point for this whole move, and after taken out this inducement, market has successfully confirmed the previous lower low. Now this is our high and this is our lower low. So this whole move is like a single leg move. Now what market will do? Market will continue push to the downside and close below it. Then this will be another change of breakout of structure. But if market will continue push to the upside and break above that area, then that will be our bullish change of character. But for now, below that red line, market is still bearish. Now what if we see and continue the bar, then we will find what market will impact here. If we see here, market is continue pushing to the upside, and if we see here, market had just swept the previous confirm high. If we see here, here was our confirm high and market had just swept the previous confirm high, but did not give us a candle closing confirmation. You can see here, market has just sweep the previous high. That means it's just a liquidity taken from the market. Now if market will again push to the downside and break the previous low and confirm and close below it, that means this high will be shifted from that area. But if market will continue push to the upside and close above that, then this area will be act like a bullish change of character. That means if market will push to the downside, then that will be our breakout structure to the downside, and this will be shifted from high, shifted off the our high. This high will be shifted from this area. But if market will continue push to the upside and close above it, then that will be act like a change of character. Now we need to find what market will do here. Here we can taken out the previous high, and after candle closing confirmation which was at that area, our this change of character is confirmed. Now this sweep will be act like a change of character, because market have successfully close above to the previous high. So this will be act like a change of character. Now after changing of character, we need to find our lower low. Here was our lower low, because this was our lowest candle in this whole single leg move. This is the lowest point, so that will be act like a lower low. Now we need to find our inducement to confirm our last high. For confirmation of the last pullback or inducement, market at least needs to taken out the previous candle low. Then that will be, if we see here, here is the previous candle taken out, so that candle will be act like a inducement. This low will be act like a inducement, like that. If market will break that low, then that will be act like a inducement. Now if we see here, market again pushed to the upside, then now and again created a new inducement which is at. Now if we see here, some traders will mark that candle as inducement, because we have marked this is our inducement. Then again traders will mark that candle as an inducement, but this is not an inducement. Why this is not an inducement? Why? Because if we see and focus on that candle area, this candle high and low is still protected. That means the movement which will be happen in the shadow of that candle, that will be not valid. It means our inducement area will be not this. This low will be like an inducement area, because this candle low have successfully taken out that candle low, but these whole candles did not taken out previous candle low, so that will be not confirmed or valid pullback. This low will be act like a valid pullback. Now let's see what market have done. But if we see here, market again break the previous high, then our inducement will be shifted from that area to that area, and market has successfully taken out the inducement. After taken out the inducement, our higher high will be confirmed at this point, and our lower low was here. Now this whole move again will be act like a single leg move. Now if we focus on whole movement in the market, then what we will see, what was the movement in the market. If we see here, here was high and here was low, and here was our higher high and this was our higher low, this was our higher high and this was our lower low, and this was again our higher high. This is the structure in the market for now. But for now market is still bullish, but what market will impact in the continuation of the time. If we see here, market is continue pushing to the upside. All right, market has did not still. If we see here again, market has swept the previous high. That means did not give us a candle closing confirmation. Sorry, this will be a sweep. So we need to wait for taken out the inducement. Sorry, first of all we need to wait for the candle closing confirmation to confirm our higher high. Sorry, this was our breakout structure here, like that. This was our breakout structure because we have a candle closing confirmation here, and after that candle closing confirmation, market have again break the previous high and give us a inducement here, and market has successfully taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, our higher high is confirmed here. After confirmation of higher high, our lower, where was our lower low? If we see in the whole this single leg move, our lowest point was here, so this low will be act like a lower low and this high will be act like a higher high. Now if we see again, market is continue pushing to the upside. The same thing we need to follow, continue in the market, the whole thing we just need to follow these things. I hope this video will be very informative and will clear your how to mark a structure and how to mark a correct pullback, how to mark a correct breakout structure, how to mark a correct change of character. The main thing is inducement, which will be act like a fuel in the market. With the inducement you can find your breakout structure, with the inducement you can find your higher highs and higher lows, with inducement you can find your correct trading range, which will be in your higher high and higher low. So watch this video again and again. If you have any question, you can DM me us on our Telegram, or if you want to join our mentorship program, you can visit our website, or you can, or many other services we are providing in our Telegram channel. You can freely join our Telegram public channel and watch how we are working in the market. Thanks for watching our video. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz. Previous candle low.